Ramadan, the month of spiritual rejuvenation, is just days away, bringing with it the cherished nightly Taraweeh prayers. Whether you're attending at the mosque or joining virtually from home, Taraweeh is a time to immerse yourself in reflection, prayer, and community. To make your experience this Ramadan truly epic, we've compiled our top 10 tips. Start with your niyyah, intention. Remind yourself why you're participating in Taraweeh: to seek closeness to Allah, to reflect on the Quran, and to reap the spiritual rewards of Ramadan. A clear intention sets the tone for a focused and fulfilling prayer experience. The Prophet said, "Verily actions are by intentions, and for every person is what he intended." 2. Create a comfortable prayer space. If you're praying at home, dedicate a quiet, comfortable spot for your prayers. A clean, softly lit area with minimal distractions can significantly enhance your concentration and spiritual connection. 3. Stay hydrated and well-nourished. The preparation for Taraweeh starts at iftar. Keep your energy levels up for the long prayers by staying hydrated and having a balanced meal when you break your fast, and keep moderation in mind. We get it. It's tempting to reach for a seventh samosa or help yourself to more biryani, but you're not doing yourself any favors. Foods that are light on the stomach but rich in slow-releasing energy, like soup, salads, oats, and dates, are perfect for sustaining you through the night. 4. Dress comfortably, yet respectfully. Can you believe here isn't an emoji for a thobe or an abaya? The lab coat will have to do for now. Anyway, comfort is key, especially when you're standing in prayer for extended periods. Opt for loose, breathable clothing that still respects the sanctity of the prayer. 5. Arrive early or set up in advance. In the mosque, arriving early lets you choose a spot where you can best focus. If you get there ahead of the prayer, be sure to read, recite Quran, and get yourself in the zone. At home, setting up your prayer space in advance helps minimize last-minute rushes, allowing you to enter your prayer with a calm mind. 6. Engage with the Quran. Taraweeh is an excellent time to connect deeply with the Quran. Try to read the translation of the surahs being recited each night to enrich your understanding and reflection. 7. Make technology work in your favor. Tartil's AI will follow along with any recitation, including your imam's recitation in Taraweeh. Use it to pinpoint exactly where you are in the surah in real time along with live translations. It's a lifesaver when you're longing to connect with what's being recited in prayer. Let technology be an aid, not a distraction. 8. Be considerate. As we come together in mosques or gather with family at home for Taraweeh, being considerate of one another's space and comfort is essential. Whether it's by ensuring your phone is on silent, minimizing movement to prevent distractions, or simply offering a smile and a quiet greeting, small acts of kindness can greatly enhance the collective worship experience. Remember, the spirit of Ramadan is not just in the prayers we offer, but in the compassion and consideration we show to those around us. 9. Share the experience. Taraweeh is also about community. Share this spiritual journey with family or friends, encouraging and supporting each other. If you're praying at home, consider a virtual meetup to reflect on the night's experience. 10. Reflect and make dua. Take time after Taraweeh to reflect on the verses recited and make dua. It's a beautiful time to ask Allah for guidance, forgiveness, and to express gratitude for His endless blessings.